What's going on? Today's episode I got the honest product review for the ATX squat ramp, and I'll also be talking about why I like to use a ramp with a lot of my clients along with all the benefits. So let's get into it. What's going on? Welcome aboard to the ATX squat ramp review. Speaking with a little bit of a cold, but it's okay because the show must go on. So this ramp is around 20 pounds. It's very heavy for a ramp, and it's not something you want to put in your gym bag unless you want your gym bag to maybe break. But this replicates an Olympic weightlifting shoe for people who don't happen to have it, and also you could go higher. So Olympic weightlifting shoe, it only has a certain amount of degrees, whereas the ramp, you could take it up a notch the more you step back. And I like the ramp option more than standing on 2.5 pound or 10 pound plates, or even 5 pounds, because there's no distance between your heel and the plate. So as you can see right now, my depth in the squat is pretty decent, but when you add on a ramp, and by the way, when you put your feet on the ramp, you want to make sure your heels are actually on it. You don't want your heels to just be floating around, as you can see in the video. So make sure your heels are on the ramp. You got full foot reference, and now you'll be able to be a lot more upright. So this turns your squat into a lot more of a squattier look, and it makes the squat less hingy. So you're initiating less with hips back, and it looks more of like an elevator as opposed to an escalator. So just because it's called a squat ramp doesn't mean you only have to squat with it. There's other ways to use this implement, and one of them is to feel your heels a lot more by elevating your toes. So this could be used for RDLs, this could be used for repositioning drills, activation drills, to shift more of your weight back. Now back to the squatting, it's going to keep you more upright, so that when you do your zerchers, when you do your front, even when you do your back squat, any variation, you're going to be a lot more upright. So if you look at this trap bar deadlift, it does look a little bit more hingy because I want it to be that way. But if you want to make it more upright, you want to stay more vertical on your trap bar deadlift, you could simply use a ramp or Olympic weightlifting shoes. But if you have no access to Olympic weightlifting shoes, then this is also a good alternative if your gym happens to have it, or maybe your coach has it. Alright, so there you guys have it. That's the ATX squat ramp review, along with some of the benefits of using a squat ramp. So let me know in the comment section below if you've ever used a squat ramp yourself, and with that, I'll see you guys in the next episode.